This is MEGASERVO. I thought I'd cover how to deal with Netflix settings on the browser. Um, so I've got the Netflix browser window on Chrome, but any other browser will work. Gotta make sure you log in, of course. And I'll just go over how to get to settings. Okay, so um, now, as you can see, your home page in Netflix has all your favorite shows, but to get to settings, there's not many. First area you can get to is the Manage Profiles. So let's go into Manage Profiles. As you can see, you've got some profiles, and you can add more profiles if you want, or adjust the existing one. So I'll go, for example, to my own profile. Is it a kid? Am I a kid? If it's a kid, then you can tick that. You can set the language, maturity level. You can also delete it and change the name if you need to, or set it. And then you can even change the profile picture now. So, all your favorite characters from different shows on Netflix. I'm gonna choose this one because it sort of fits how I look like. Okay, save. There you go, done. Okay, now I've changed the profile. Okay, the only area in the browser for settings is your account. So click on the drop down and select account. Okay, here you've got membership and billing, plan details. You can change the plan there. Billing and membership kind of areas are here. And now you get to general global settings. Communication settings, there for setting if you want to receive SMSs or emails about updates and different other areas. That's useful. Marketing, if you want to receive marketing. Parental Controls is where I'll just go in and show you. Is where you can set up a special password. Just remember, please, if you're a parent or a guardian, please record the password somewhere securely, so that you can get back in there and set your controls for various profiles. Okay. Test participation is where you can set whether you want to be part of any previews or any tests that Netflix wants to do. Next, manage download devices, so devices that can download. So if you've got the Netflix app on some of your smartphones or tablets, you can select to download, manage those devices. So some of these devices can download offline. Let's say if you're on a train, that's what we're talking about here. Activate a device. That's if you have to manually activate a device, but that rarely is needed. Recent device streaming activity, if you want to see the fine-grained access, where, what IP address, all those sort of fine gritty details of who accessed where what. So this can help you with managing children, or seeing if there's a rogue person going into your account and using it. So here's where you can access it. You can also sign out of devices. Now, if your account gets hacked, you can change the password up there. But make sure you let you make sure you're the owner of this account, because if you're one of the profiles, one of the children, or it's not going to let you change it. But if you have the rights and you know the password, just let the others know as well, because they're going to have to re-sign into all their devices. So be careful on that one. And finally, your profile section. So whichever profile you're in, um, that's where you can adjust your profile details. And as we've spoken before, you can get to manage profiles to change various things on profiles. Here you can set the language. Um, here you can view your activity. I'll just show you. I can report a problem with a particular show I've watched, or remove it from my history if you want to. You can also download your viewing history if you need to, for some reason. Going back, playback settings is a really great area to go into, because here you can set up your profile across all your devices in terms of what connection speed you're going to view it at. Let's say your home connection is a very low connection. You can set it to low, and this is really handy, especially if you've got limited data, small connection, slow connection, that sort of thing. You can try medium as well, but if you have a really crappy connection, low is really good. Here you can also set whether you want to view each episode automatically after finishing one episode, or whether you wanted to do it manually. So if you tick this, it'll automatically play the next episode, and hit save. And finally, two areas. Ratings is where you can see all the movies you've rated, either positively with thumbs up or thumbs down. You can delete and manage. Finally, subtitle appearance. It's a useful area if you're into subtitles a lot, or you're in a busy kitchen and you want to you tend to watch stuff there. So you can change the font, size of text, background, whether you want a background or not, whether it's in a window, whether you want some shadowing, what colors, or reset back to default. So that's useful. Okay, that's about it. Also, finally, how to deal with the help center. Okay. So you can either, in accounts, you go click at the bottom and select questions, contact us. You can select help center at the bottom as well, which is help.netflix.com. Or if you click on the profile drop down, select help center. You can type any question you want. You've got some common ones here, such as how to cancel account, update a few things, payment methods, request a TV show. Also, if you need some help, you can call Netflix, whichever country you're in, or start a live chat. So these are useful for resolving issues. Don't forget, when you're dealing with settings, always clear your browser settings. Browser cache if you're still having problems. So I click on the three dots, let's say in Chrome, more tools, clear browsing data. In most browsers in Windows, it's Control-Shift-Delete in any browser to bring it up and clear the cache. So you may have to do that if there's issues. Going back to Netflix, you scroll down, service code. I'll just bring it down, and it just keeps populating with more stuff to see. Half of it I don't like, but it sort of builds up over time. Now at the bottom, if you're ever doing a support call or a chat, they might ask you for the service code for your session to help you. Okay, that's about it. Hope you make the most of the settings in the Netflix browser or web version, and I'll be covering other areas. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, or comment if you want to translate some of the subtitles. Have a look at the description. There's a lot of details that I've just spoken about, and yeah, enjoy Netflix.